This time, I'm going to teach you how to sketch absolute value function. This is the overall general form for absolute value. Let's say inside here is linear. Absolute value for linear. Okay, the blue graph, that is the general form for y equals absolute value of x. The shape of the graph is in V shape. It has a middle point here. Below here, this middle point, minimum point. Okay, then for y equals negative absolute value x, the graph is V shape in opposite side. Okay, the middle point is here. Okay, this is overall of the absolute value graph. Okay, let's set the example. The first example, want to sketch the graph absolute value of x minus 1. To find the middle point value, x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to 1. Okay? And when x is equal to 1, y is substitute 1. 1 plus 1, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. So the middle point is 1, 0. Okay? 1, 0. 1, 0. This is middle point. You know this graph is in V shape. Just sketch. Is the graph. From the graph, if for absolute value, domain always real. Then for range, the absolute value, all the graph become positive. So all the graph is above x-axis. So no graph below x-axis. Okay, the graph start from 0 here up to infinity. So the range is from 0 included up to infinity. Settle for this example. For this example, okay, the absolute value at the one is negative. Okay, the V shape is flip over. Okay, it has the maximum. Okay, and then the graph is in this pattern. Okay, and then find the middle point. Okay, take this value, x minus 1 is equal to 0, x equals 1, then substitute when x is equal to 1, y is 0. So the middle point is 1, 0. 1, 0. Okay, and because of negative, the graph is supposed all positive, this value all positive, but because of negative, the graph is reflected by x-axis. The V shape becomes opposite pattern like this. Okay, so the graph is like this. It has the something the middle point is the maximum. So the graph is domain of f, that is the number. Then a range of f is starting from bottom here, negative infinity up to 0. Okay, from negative infinity up to 0 included. Okay, the same function, okay, so value x minus 1, but in the restricted domain. Domain is x lies between negative 1, 5 included. First thing, from the domain given, take the number line like this. Then you need to sketch the graph within the given domain. So, okay, this is the line from negative 1 up to 5. Means that there's no graph on the left hand side and also the right hand side. The graph is within this domain. Okay, from the domain here, you need to sketch the graph in V shape. Okay, so here, x minus 1 is equal to 0. Find the middle point. X is 1 and y 0. So 1 is 0 is middle point. 1, 0. This is 5. 1, 0. Let's say this is 1. Okay, this is middle point. Okay, then to find the end point here, just substitute when x is equal to 5, y 5 minus 1 and equals 4. So 5, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, this is the endpoint 4 on the right hand side. And then for the left hand side, substitute when x is equal to negative 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 2. So point is negative 1 is over here. This is triangle circle included and also included. The graph is in V shape. This is middle point. Just join the 2 points. So this is the function. And then find the domain. Domain, yes, always the numbers, but it's given restricted domain. Domain given is negative 1, 5. Okay, negative 1, 5. Then range. Range is starting range. No graph below x-axis until here. Y is 0. And continue until. Okay, so range start from 0 up to 4. Okay, and for graph absolute value.